VILPE is the leading producer of specialized roofing and ventilation products. We operate in over 30 markets and in 11 different locations, and we employ approximately 130 people across Europe. For over 45 years, we have been passionate about ventilation and roofing solutions, which promote responsible construction and building maintenance. Fresh indoor air and structural longevity motivate us in our everyday work and form the pioneering spirit of VILPE Oy. We are a family-based company from Vaasa, Finland. We are constantly on the lookout for new innovations, new partners to work with, and new markets to grow in. Our priorities include providing new value and opportunities for our existing customers. Our VILPE branded products are known for their high quality, excellent technical properties, and pioneering solutions. We take innovation seriously and spend about 5% of our turnover on research and development, and we've been awarded over 35 patents for our work. Our organization has been certified with the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certificates, and we offer extensive guarantees for our products every year. All of our products are independently and carefully tested to ensure the highest possible quality. Every day, every week, and every year, we continue our mission to provide customer-driven solutions across Europe to solve the needs of modern construction.